Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida Notary Public with a loan signing agent certification, your construction trained realtor. Having construction-based licensing and construction-based training is one of the many things that separates me from other realtors out there. They don't understand construction. So I use that to help my customers to purchase much better built homes. Because let's face it, you want to reduce the defects. You don't want to buy a house that has a lot of defects, because at some point those defects are going to be on you. So if you're interested in purchasing a house and you want to build from scratch, meaning you want to build from the land, starting with the foundation, I can help you with that. I can help you with inventory homes, a home that's already being built, a home that's fully completed, or if you're interested in a used resale home, please do contact me. If you're looking to buy new, I can help you anywhere in the state of Florida as well. So we're out here in Clermont at Ridgeview at Trinity Family Builders. And Trinity Family Builders is like a continuation of Hanover Family Builders. And this house behind me just looks amazing. I'm pretty excited about this one. It's called the SIMS. And this was explained to me that it has a gym room, or at least that's what they call it, a gym room. Looks like a great house, a nice big house. Now I have sold a few homes over here in this area. So if you're interested in buying a house over here, again, please do reach out to me. I look forward to helping you and more so guiding you throughout the construction process, and also going to those inspections. So yeah, just a huge house, 3-car garage, 6 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3,356 square feet. AC living room. Oh, that's the, okay, so that's the air-conditioned living space. That's what that means. Optional breakfast nook, optional 3rd-car garage. So 3,365 square feet, which is just the living space, okay? Now when you're talking about your garage, with a 3-car garage, this might be another 500, 600 square feet. Because here's the thing, most builders don't include the garage as part of the square footage. So, you know, something to keep in mind, especially when you have the 3-car garage, it's so much bigger. You're gonna have a lot more space. This has a package delivery door right at your front door. So whether it's FedEx, UPS, Amazon, whatever it might be, as long as they have the combination code or the key, or I guess if you keep it unlocked, they open it up, and you know, your packages can go in here. Pretty nice. Standard on the homes too. I thought that was kind of great. So let's go inside and have a look. Now, of course, I haven't seen the inside of this house because I just don't do that. I don't walk inside and, you know, come up with a whole story and a plan. I like to have an honest reaction. And somebody recently was telling me that they feel like all the videos that realtors do are the same. And I thought it was kind of funny because they said to me that they feel like they're selling the homes and looking pretty versus being useful. I said, well, you know, there's no pretty here. I'm useful. I'm very, very useful. Pretty? No. So anyway, so back to the house. So very nice large room. As soon as you walk into the left, they have this set up as a study. Let's see, what do we have here? Ah, coat closet. This is nice. You know, I always seem to like homes that have this kind of a thing going on. Let's continue and see what we see. So your kitchen, your living room, your dining room. And over here, there's your pantry, and a big pantry too. I like this too because you just step in and like you got stuff to the left and to the right. Very nice. Pretty big bathroom. Pretty wide. Yeah, look how big the tiles are. Oh, this is fantastic. So right away there's a bedroom. And let's see, what do we have here? How big is it? Okay, so it's a pretty good size. It looks like it's using the space that's behind the wall. So very good size closet for that bedroom. That was the pantry. Getting a little lost here. Okay, so front door was right there. Kind of interesting how this is set up. I don't think I've ever seen it where you go from your front door and you're looking right into your kitchen. Very nice. And this I like this over here where the table is. You know, especially if you have like a nice backyard where you could look outside while you're eating. And I guess too, if you have people over and they're kind of outside and this whole area is screened in, you know, the lanai is screened in, should I say. Yeah, and there's a door here. Okay, I kind of couldn't really see it over there. I was kind of staring into the camera's viewer. But yes, you could be here and you could be there and you could have this open. That's really great if you had a lot of people over, plus people in here on this huge lanai. Island, not lanai. I'm thinking about the lanai, I'm thinking about people sitting over here, people sitting over there, people sitting here. This is really great for people that are going to have a lot of people over. Okay, so back there, I didn't realize that there was somebody in the model. It was very quiet in here. So let's see, what's over here? What do we have? Ah, so this is the garage. Okay. Just take a quick look at it. So pretty interesting. You got a single car, like I feel like, so here's the thing when you have a 3-car garage. You could park maybe 2 cars here, or if you only have 1 car, you could park the 1 car right here, and then use the rest of this for just storage or whatever. You know, maybe turn it into a bit of a gym, which of course in the summer would get a bit hot, but you know, just a lot of space. Or you could park 1 car here and 1 car there if it was only 2 cars. So a lot to think about when you have a 3-car garage. And storage underneath the stairs. They got some really impressive floor plans over here. You know, the layouts are just really impressive. And I like these stairs. I like the grayish color. So we just stepped into the master bedroom and I'm kind of surprised as to how large it is. I mean, just a really, really, really large room. Check that out. Ah, it's a gym room over here. Okay. Now it all makes sense. And this is the closet in the master bedroom. So definitely some nice width in the bathroom. So let's see the gym room. But before the gym room, oh, toilet in the closet room. Very sneaky place to put that toilet in the closet room. Let's see. So gym room. But this is great. I like this a lot. And it's different. It's different. That's what's nice about this house. It's different. The whole layout is very different. Yeah, look at that. There we go again. Very big master bedroom. Let's go straight. And to the right, what do we have? Oh. Bathroom. So shower and the toilet. That's pretty interesting. So it's a smaller shower. But this is kind of larger. It's kind of interesting. Kind of interesting bathroom. But it's a shared bathroom, so it's nice because, you know, there's a door here, plus there's a separate door over here. And then here's another bedroom. And here's the closet. So usually something like this over here is an upgrade when you see the spindles, and you know, you don't see a half wall, because normally this would be like a half wall, which means it would look like this right here. So very nice size loft. This is a big bedroom. Because you can see this bed over here. It's I don't know what this is, a full or maybe a queen bed. I don't know. But it's a pretty big bed. And let's check out the closet. Oh wow, that's a big long closet. Let's go this way. Go over the lamp. Yeah, very nice big bedroom. So we gotta go, which way do we have to go now? Did we go, I don't think we saw this. This is the shared bathroom. I think it's a second shared bathroom now. Now this was, did we see this room yet? No, soccer room. No, not soccer. Volleyball. Alright, so this room has a volleyball theme. That's different. And another closet. All right, so let's walk out and talk about this house. What do I think of it? And this is, before I forget, got a big shared hall closet. I like this house a lot, and I think what I like about it is that it feels different. It feels like something, it feels something new, something different, something fresh. Because I feel like too many builders are just kind of doing the same thing as each other. Little differences here and there, but this is very different. And you know, when you have a nice large room like this, and you walk and you go through your bathroom, and you walk into this, it's different. Something like this, you could even turn this into like an office too. Or make it into another closet. Or make it into a bedroom. So for example, if you had a small child, a baby, that you need the baby to be close, that's perfect. All right, let's go back down. And please check out my website at richnotohomes.com. You can find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each community's page. If it's listed on the MLS, so check it out. And again, what's nice about this is that this is just kind of like a big square. Let's move this out. This is kind of just like a big square. Like if you were to take that sliding door and open it, it's nice for large events, you know, family events, family and friends, whatever it might be. That's great. And especially, again, you know, if you screen in your lanai, and I always encourage my customers to do that first when you move in, because let's face it, who wants the bugs? Screen it in and you're good. So yeah, I think that this is a great house. And of course, you had all these other rooms down here, like you had this bedroom, a nice large bathroom over there. Got this room over here, which is fantastic. And in this room, which could be another bedroom, you know, if that's what you want. So I appreciate everyone stopping by. I hope to hear from you. It's a hot day today. Not too hot yet, but it's getting hot. It's going back and forth now between hot and cold here in Florida. So this is one of those days when it's hot, where it was like 2 days ago. I think it was 2 days ago, I was like wearing a coat. So, feels good.